Yo, what's going on everybody on YouTube? It's your boy Northwest Kicks. I'm back at again with the mail time 2, and this is going to be a crazy unboxing, so you know what time it is. Let's go! Alright, before we get into these unboxings, I definitely want to show you guys a video that I made. Took me forever to kind of put together, and for some reason YouTube won't let me post it for some reason, so I'm not sure why. So I'll just give you guys a quick glimpse of that. That was a couple of weeks ago, and obviously I love the shoe, and so here's that clip. Okay, so yeah, I got the Atmos pack. It was a great price. Magpark actually sold it, and what they did was they actually sent me the wrong size for the 3s. The left side was a 9.5 dead stock pair from StockX, and then the other pair was my size 11 used. And so I bought the pack used. I think I got it for 700-ish, which is not a bad deal and is pretty good, but and let's hurry up and get started. The first box, there's no particular order or anything. The first box I got from Nordstrom. Nordstrom Rack. They actually had a really huge sale, and I picked up a pair of boots. And so yeah, I like a lot of other things than, you know, sneakers and stuff. They weren't too expensive. I think I bought it for like 20-30 bucks. It was honestly a great price. Receipts in here. Let's throw this to the side. Let's check them out. I think I bought them like 2.5 weeks ago. If you don't know, there is this Twitter account, I think Sneaker Steals, and they basically post up shoes, boots and stuff like that. And I bought myself a new pair of boots. First look at it, not too shabby. I think I spent like 20-30 bucks on these, and that's a steal. And all the shoes, I'll give you guys a closer view, but yeah, these are pretty nice. That's good. That's a good cop. I approve of these. Alright, on to the next box. I think we'll kind of save this. I think both of these shoes are from StockX. Sorry, the camera lens and stuff like that. But I bought these for StockX, so we'll kind of get into those. Not sure which one this one is, but I can tell you they're both Jordan 1s. Boom, got that. Dude, sneakers has been, dude, if you look at my sneakers app and if you go to the tried list, I literally have like a full page list of not selected. So it's been quite an L, and honestly, like, I don't feel like driving to other people and trying to meet up and, you know, buying this and that. So obviously I just buy it on StockX, and it's a little bit more expensive, $10-15, but I'm like, man, would I spend another 30-40 minutes trying to drive out and meet someone, or like go to our local shoe shop? And I'm like, dude, I don't want to get stuck in traffic, and I'd rather have the shoe come to me. So fortunate enough to do that, and so boom, got both of these size 11 Jordan 1s. Now let's go to this one. This one is a delayed W, and I finally got it for a really good price. It was actually up in the 300s. I know a lot of consignment stores are selling it for around like 350-ish, and I bought this on stock for $250, and I think this was a fifth pair of shoe that I bought, so they gave me free shipping, so it's just basically that. And yeah, let's get into this. I've seen many on feed and on camera, stuff like that. Here's the StockX receipt, and officially I highly recommend StockX. Man, obviously sometimes you can get steals, and if you're trying to sell brand new stuff, it's always a way to go. I always go to that route. And oof, these are the bread toes. And yes, these are fire, and it does come with an authenticated verification little tag, and I think they put like a QR code scan here now because there's so many fakes. And looking at my pair of shoes, the tumble leather looks super nice, and dude, I'm so excited I have these, man. Jordan 1s are obviously my favorite. If you know me, if you've been following me, if you can kind of see right here, Jordan 1s, and man, these are fire. I'm excited to put these on my feet. Oof. That smell. All right, let's go to the next shoe. I knew I was gonna get a L on the raffle, and so I just like, man, screw it. I just bought it a week early. I didn't have time to make this video, so I had these super early. But I finally had time today to do the video, and oh, here's receipts and the verification code. Thank you, Josh, for verifying these shoes. And oh my gosh, dude. Woo. Dude, when I just started getting into Jordan 1s, these were like my top grails I wanted so bad, and they were just so expensive. They were like $600, and I couldn't personally drop that on just these pair of shoes. And finally, they had rumored at 2017 towards the end of the year that these might come out, and finally they came out. I definitely want another pair of these. I definitely want to double up. These are going to be like my new beaters. I'm going to wear these every single day. Black and gray, you can't say anything more than that. I mean, it's simple, easy to wear. Obviously, like, if you look at my closet right now, I do have a lot of black and gray clothes, so it kind of just flows with that swag, and you can't go wrong with black. Yeah, but I'm super excited about these. Man, I've always wanted these, but I couldn't pull the trigger on that 500-600 mark. And it has that good tumble leather with the good, has like a different gray than the, I think it's the 2013 or 2012 release, don't quote me, but yeah, it has a little different gray, but it smells good, it smells good. Oh man, tumble leather looks good, everything else looks good. Whew. All right, oh yeah, and then it comes with this Stock X sticker that they kind of give you out right there, but I don't really need it, so just leave it in there. But not least, this Supreme for me has to, I don't know, I have a specific style kind of, and recently they haven't had anything, but their shipping sucks. So I finally got this like a week or two later after I bought it. I honestly forgot about it, and it kind of just showed up, and I was like, oh wait, I did buy it. But yep, seemed kind of like a little ripped here. This is the all black hoodie with back, and it's Supreme on the back. I bought an extra large because I know Supreme kind of fits and tugs around the side here. But yeah, other than that, that's pretty much it. I'll give you guys definitely a closer view and on that. So yeah, that's it. Let me give you guys a closer view. Thanks for tuning in and thanks for watching. Until next time, we out. Peace.